Everyone,
Good afternoon, sir.
how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. You are all right?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy and healthy?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. I think first and foremost we should be happy and healthy because the healthy body has a healthy brain and healthy brain has a healthy thoughts. Healthy thoughts is a guarantee of success. Understand? What is the guarantee of success? Confidence is the guarantee of success. Okay? Efforts is the guarantee of success. But make your efforts in a right direction is the guarantee of success. Okay? Generally people say that the knowledge is the guarantee of success. If you have the knowledge but you don't try, how can you be successful in the life? Okay? So let me tell you how to motivate someone, how to inspire somebody. There are many examples of inspired someone else. Okay? For example, you take the example of a vehicle. Generally in society, actually we take the example out from society. We do not make our sentence or we do not make our example at home, but we just generally search this type of example from society. See, a person is a lazy or a person is a moderate and another person is active. There are three variety of people. Okay? When the person is actively participate somewhere, has a more possibility to be succeed in life, and another person sometime or rarely participate in activity has a rare possibility to be succeed, and the third one never participate in an activity, he has no possibility to be succeed. Okay, in any type of activity or any types of efforts. So how can we motivate this type of person? We take the example of that there are three types of people in the society. One is a self-start, another is a kick-start, and third one is push-start. Okay? Active self-start is always ready. They are by default ready to do every work. They are by default ready. And another type of the variety, the second type of the person is called the kick-start. When we need to start them, we have to kick them. Okay? We have to kick them, the kick-start. And third type of the people, when we need to start them, we have to push them. We have to push them for the long time. Now let me know which one is the best, self-start, kick-start or push-start? Which one is the best? Self-start is the best, obviously. Who are you? Self-start or push-start? Push-start, self-start, or kick-start or no-start? You are the no-start. Who is the no-start in the class? Yes, let me know. Who are you? Self-start, push-start, kick-start or no-start?
Self-start.
Self-start. Very good. Self-start is a self-motivation. The person who is self-start, who has a self-motivation. Self-motivation is a condition when the person is always ready to do work in a positive direction without any inspiration. Understand? Self-start person doesn't wait for any outer motivation, outer inspiration, outer instruction. He is ready by default because he knows what is to be done, what is not to be done. Okay, he knows and he do what is actually used to be done. Okay, so that's the quality of a self-start person. They are supposed to do something for the country and they prove themselves. Okay, understand? Can we motivate easily? Can we easily motivate them? Okay, these are the examples of motivation. Okay.